Now what happens when you have short hair is everybody around you have short hair and all of us almost look the same. Just look at all those sports players when they just came in the team. They had long hair, guys. MS Dhoni had long hair. Messi had long hair. Welcome back, guys. And in our last video, we spoke about the downsides of having long hair. But in this video, guys, it is going to be totally different. Because in this video, we are going to talk about the upsides of having long hair. What are the benefits of having long hair? And how long hair can help you. Now people mostly talk about the downsides of long hair, guys. Huge maintenance, they think it is. Too much hair fall, they think. You have to use expensive products, they think. And people also start to judge you. You guys know that already. But after keeping long hair for so many years, I have come to know that the advantages are much more bigger than the disadvantages. So if you are planning to grow long hair, and you are already in an awkward stage, then watch this video first before you cut your hair short. Without any further ado, let's get the video started. Now you guys know that I had a dream of growing long hair, but it came at the later stage of my life. And when it came, what was the difference between short hair and long hair? Because as a person, I am the same guy. You guys know that. But guys, just the short hair and the long hair difference, all of that now I will tell you in this video, guys. The first benefit that you have when you start to grow long hair, guys, is that you will have to visit your barber less frequently. Yes, guys, when I had short hair, I had to go to the barber every 2-3 weeks. I had to stand in that long queue, do time pass there, and then when my turn came, I used to sit on the chair, again another 15 minutes to cut the hair, and then I was done. And this I had to do every 2 times a month. But guys, finally I don't have to do that anymore, because if you are growing long hair, then you will have to go to a barber very rarely, guys. Maybe 2 to 3 times a year, that's it. And sometimes it is only 1 time a year as well, guys. And that too just to adjust the length, cut off that extra. I'll show you guys this extra part. Just to cut this off or give them the shape, I have to go to the barber. Otherwise, I cut my gullies by myself at home. I have already made a video on that as well. You can easily do it at home. If you want to trim your sideburns, then go watch that video. I will put a link of that video in the I button above. Go there, watch that video and learn how to trim your sideburns by yourself and at home. For free. It's that easy, guys. So that was the first biggest advantage. Moving on to the next one. And the next one is, guys, what I noticed is when my hair grew long, like around this length, I was kind of standing out. People were starting to notice me. Now what happens when you have short hair is everybody around you have short hair and all of us almost look the same. There is no standing out factor. So my long hair started to create that difference, guys. It helped me to stand out of the crowd. I came to know about it because people started asking, who is that guy with long hair? Because I was the only person with long hair there, because not many men grow long hair. You guys know that already. It's a privilege actually. Not all men can do it in the first place. So the second advantage is it will help you to stand out, guys. Believe me, it really does. Just look at all those sports players when they just came in the team. They had long hair, guys. MS Dhoni had long hair. Messi had long hair. And like this, many players had long hair when they entered the sport, which made them stand out. With that, let's move on to the third advantage. And the third advantage is, guys, you can have many types of hairstyles. You don't have to stick to that same cut which we do usually when we have short hair. We go to the barber and we cut our hair short, and that is the style we know is the only style. But when you have long hair, you can tie them as and how you want. You can put a high bun, you can put only a single bun, side bun, ponytail, and the list will never stop, guys. So if you are attending 2 functions in a day and if you are going to meet those same people there, then in the morning you can do one hairstyle, in the evening you can do one hairstyle. Can you believe it, guys? So again, when you meet them for the second time also, you will look fresh. How many of you guys with long hair are watching this video? Do let me know in the comment section below what you think about it. Now to change your hairstyle when you have long hair, You don't have to go to a barber and cut your hair in a certain way to look different. You just have to tie them differently, and that's it, guys. That's it. It's so simple. How big advantage is that? Do let me know in the comment section below. Moving on to the next advantage, and the next advantage is, guys, when you have long hair, the same outfit looks even better. Automatically your style level goes up, guys, and your confidence boosts through the roof. Because when you feel good about yourself, guys, automatically your confidence boosts. And that is what happens when you grow long hair. Moving on to the next advantage, and this advantage is especially good if you are living in cold countries. So if you are living in cold country, then guys, if you have long hair, they will keep you warm. And you will always appreciate this extra bit of warmth that you will get in these cold countries because of your long hair. Now we will not talk about the downsides of long hair in this video because we have already done a video on that previously. If you guys have not watched that video, then go there and watch that video first and then come back and watch this video. I will put a link of that video in the I button above here. Definitely go there because it is a very interesting video, guys. The next advantage of having long hair is, guys, it makes you patient because it is not that easy to grow long hair. It takes time. It takes years for hair to grow so long, guys. It is not that easy. And in that process, you develop that patience, guys, to wait faithfully. Moving on to the next advantage, and the next advantage is, guys, you will be easily recognizable. Yes, guys, now you cannot hide anymore because you are already standing out and now everybody recognizes you. Believe me, guys, I'll tell you my story, guys. Nobody in Kunkoli knew me when I had short hair. I used to look the same, but nobody knew me. But the moment I grew my hair long, everybody started recognizing me. Everybody started to ask my mom about me. And at present, it's like everybody know me, guys. But when I had short hair, very rarely anybody knew me, guys. Believe me. That is the power of long hair. Some of the people, if they don't know me, they even tell like this, that guy with long hair, he had come there. And like this, the other guy knows that it was me. Because now at the moment, I am the only guy with long hair in a certain area of us, guys. This is the difference, guys. This is the difference. Another big advantage of having long hair is, guys, it sometimes acts as a natural sun cover. If when I'm going out in hot sun, it covers my body, which usually used to get exposed, like my neck part or my forehead. It covers that up a little bit, guys. So the sun doesn't hit my face directly because of my long hair. So I consider that as an advantage as well. Now, guys, for me it was a dream to grow long hair. You guys know that already. I could not do it in the school, nor in the college, neither at my workplace. And then finally, when I got the opportunity to grow long hair, it was like finding a needle in a haystack, guys. And once you get an opportunity like this, you don't care about the downside, guys. You really don't care. That is what I do, guys. I really don't care about how tough it is to maintain them, how they look, or whatever it is. I just love my long hair, guys. That's it. Having said that, I'm hoping that you found this video useful. If you found this video useful, then see that you like the video, keep the channel subscribed, keep the bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out until we meet again.